Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your summer vacation. I welcome you all in grade 2. I'm your teacher. As you can see my name over there, my name is Iram Sabah, grade 2, and I will teach you science. Here we are going to start our first unit, and our first unit is based on about feeding. Our first unit is all about feeding, and our first lesson topic is food and feeding. Our topic is food and feeding. So what is food? My dear class, have you any idea about it? Okay. Here I am going to tell you that food is everything which we eat is called food. Everything which we eat is called food. Repeat with me. Everything which we eat is called food. Here you can see there are some cute children, and they are very happy because they are eating. And I guess they are happy because they are enjoying their favorite food. As you can see, smile on their faces. Okay, so here is the topic about favorite food. My dear students, some people like sweet food and some people like sweary food. Sweary food means spicy food. My dear students, here are the examples of sweet food like cake, like ice cream. Have you any example of sweet food other than these? Yes, chocolates. Now, sweary food. Sweary food like biryani because it's having spice. Kebab. It's also a sweary food. Yes, my dear class. Have you any idea about the sweary food other than these? Yes. Okay, good. Like korma. These are all spicy food. Here I am going to tell you about my favorite food, which is biryani. Now it's your turn. My dear class, tell me please about your favorite food names. Is anybody there who is having same favorite food like me? Okay, I know there are some students who like biryani like me. Okay, my dear students. Here is a important point that why food is important to us or why we eat food. There are some points. We eat food to live. Yes, my dear students, if we don't have food, we will die. Here's the second point is grow. Yes, we need food to grow. Here's the third point. Food gives us energy to do work and play. My dear students, food gives us energy to play, to walk, to talk, to run. So food is very important to us because if we feel hungry and we don't eat food, we become lazy. So it gives us energy. Number 4, it keeps us healthy and strong. My dear students, food keep us healthy and strong. Yes, when we ill, doctor advises to eat lot amount of food because it keep us healthy and strong. My dear students, food like fruits, vegetable, they are having vitamins, different vitamins which are very necessary to our body, like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D. These vitamins keep us healthy and strong. Now, my dear students, come towards the sources of food. There are two main sources of food, like plants and animal. There are two main sources of food, plant and animal. Here you can see some examples of plant food. These are vegetables. Different vegetables you can see there. This one is wheat. Wheat converted into flour, and wheat comes from plant. These are nuts like almond, peanuts, walnut. All these comes from plant. My dear students, these are fruits. Fruits come from plant. Okay? Fruits come from plant. Now, here we are going towards the next point, which is animal. Animal, you can see some examples of animals like fish, chicken, egg, meat. All these comes from animals. Okay, my dear students, here we learn that some food we eat is in solid form and some is in liquid. Solid foods, my dear students, here you can see some solid foods like meat and bread. Why we call these foods are solid? Because it's having less amount of water. Okay, it's having less amount of water. That's why we call these are solid foods. Some foods are liquid foods. Liquid foods like soup and milk. Soup and milk having lot amount of water. So these are liquid foods. Liquid foods, then, my dear student, what is this? This is water. And water is important to us. Why? Because, my dear students, we can live without food but cannot stay alive without food, without water. So, if we want to stay healthy, we must drink water. Okay, my dear student, here we are going to recap our lesson. Today we learn about food. What is food? Everything which we eat is called food. Some people have their favorite food like sweet food and spicy foods. You can see then food is important to live, to grow, and it gives us energy to do work and play. Food keep us healthy and strong. Now, my dear students, we learn sources of food. There are two main sources of food like plants and animal. Plant food like vegetable, fruits, nuts, wheat, all these foods come from plant. Animal food like fish, egg, meat, chicken, all these foods come from animal. So my dear students, second thing which we learn is solid and liquid food. Solid food which having less amount of water like meat and bread. And liquid food like soup and milk. It's having lot amount of water. Then we learn about water because water is very important to us. If we want to stay alive, we must drink water. So here are small activity for you, my dear students. Can you identify from these? Can you identify these picture from which fruit group they belongs? Like this one and this one. Yes, my dear students, it belongs to animal and it belongs to plants. Now guess these. These are potatoes and these are eggs. Can you tell me from where they belongs? Can you tell me the group, food group? Yes, potato belongs to plants. Eggs belong to animals. So, clap your hands. Very well done. Clap, clap, clap. So this is our today's lesson, food and feeding. Hope you will like it. Good luck, my dear students. Stay happy.